So this is the IKEA box, and this is one part. The other part is still there, which we're going to put it. Yeah, and I can still put some boxes in the up, you know, for something that we don't really use. Yeah, and yeah, actually it's just really enough. Look at that, it's so big. So it would be like this already. It's not yet finished, but look at that, it's just really like good size for that area.
8 more box sits to do, guys, because that's a lot of box sits to build. There's 8 more to do.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
That's Mommy.
Mm.
But soon you need to show it to all our guys.
Yes.
Because we're not trying to finish.
Alexander, what you want to be when you grow up?
I don't
So
know.
this one is the IKEA box, but it's not yet done. There is more to go. Yeah, look at that. And that's for the scarf. Yeah, I just like it because especially with the light, looks so good. Yeah. Dito na kami sa swimming class, guys. So lagay ko lang yung, oh my god, Alexander is so noisy. Inopen ko kasi yung inopen ko kasi yung window dahil mainit. Going kami sa swimming class ni Alexander na. Alexander, excited na siya every swimming lesson. Yeah? Because he knows how to swim a little bit na.
Yes, but I can swim backwards already.
Yeah, backward. He knows backward and forward. I don't know why. He's so good. He's so fast, actually.
Because to teach me, because they asked me to swim forward, but instead of swimming forward, I was going to swim backwards.
See?
And I do.
And you're so fast.
And I do it with no help.
Yeah. Tapos na si Alexander sa kanyang swimming lesson. Alexander is here, guys. Tapos na siya sa kanya. Did you enjoy? Pero baliktad niya nilagay. Okay. Baliktad yung kanyang short. But it's okay lang. Siya kasi yung naglagay. My goodness. But actually, si Alexander pa naglalagay siya ng damit. Baliktad. Yung t-shirt, ako na yung naglagay. Pero pag siya na yung sinabi ko, may ka maglagay sa bahay, baliktad siya all the time. And I don't know why. Pero sa sleeper naman, hindi naman siya nagkakamali. Hello guys, tapos na kami sa swimming lesson.
Did you ask them?
Who?
That football teacher.
No, because you said no. But you will have a football every Saturday soon. I think.
What did you say no?
No. You have a schedule for your football near to home. It's like after your birthday, because your birthday is Saturday. I mean, we will celebrate Saturday, and then after that, next Saturday of that, we will have your football class again.
Oh.
Why not? It's fun. I like football.
But I don't want to do a dance or military.
No, you have to do it.
But I need to have a plate with football.
What?
But I need to have a plate.
What plate?
Football.
Place. You have a place already.
Place? Not place. I need to have a plate with football.
You have a break 1 year. Remember? You forgot? You didn't practice for many months. Come on.
Yes, but I'm going to practice in whole football today.
Okay. You go to garden today, okay?
I'm in the Twitter.
Tomorrow, okay. Si Alexander, guys, medyo kailangan siyang i-encourage, kailangan siyang you know, kasi hindi siya yung klase ng bata na gusto nitong gawin, gusto ito. Yan, kaya ginagawa ko sa kanya, ini-encourage ko lang talaga siya, tapos tinadala, parang pinipili, a little may pilit, kasi nga hindi talaga yan siya mag-try ng bago. Oh, grabe. Naka-open yung door niya. So, yun. Kailangan talagang i-ano siya. Kailangan talagang deletein. Kasi pag sasabihin ko, let's go to football. Sabihin niya, ayaw niya. Yung last time I said, let's go to tennis. Ayaw niya. Tapos, nung nandun na kami, nag-enjoy naman siya. At tapos nag-aas na siya, kailan siya babalik ulit doon. So, ganyan si Alexander. Kasi gusto ko talaga is, you know, mag-try siya lahat. Tapos, mamili siya kung ano yung gusto niya. Pero dito kasi sa school, especially football, meron talaga silang football, guys. What is this? Meron talaga silang football. So, kailangan niya talagang mag-practice. Busy today. Ano lang, mas mahal siya. Etong swimming lesson niya is 27 pound. Pero yung ano niya, yung football niya is 40 pound per month. So, ano na si Alexander? Gastos niya every month will be 67 per month sa activities niya. Pero yung football niya during winter, hindi ko naman siya pinapasali sa during winter. Kasi nga malamig. Pag winter kasi yung meron silang football practice pa din pero inside the court. Pero pag so traffic. Oh my god, so traffic. Oh, too bad. It's so traffic today here.
It's just the traffic light turn red.
Yeah. No, a while ago it's green but they cannot move because it's traffic. Yeah. Tapos, so it's like every summer lang siya may football, which is, remove ko na nga to. Kasi red pa naman, stop pa. So from anong time? June, after his birthday, June, July, August,
It's
September.
not traffic. It's supposed to be
Yeah. Okay, so June, July, August, September, October. Yan. Kasi October, sometimes hindi pa naman super lamig. Baka 4 to 5 months lang naman every year yung kanyang practice. Pero sa school, meron din silang football activities. Parang PE nila, PE day nila. Nagpo-football sila or any other sports. Super traffic. Oh my God. Super traffic dito. Pero it's 5 already. 27 past 5 na. Sige nga, let's try nga. Hopefully may space sa amin. Okay, may space sa amin. Okay. Here. Dito. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wag lang sa yellow kasi bawal magstay sa yellow. Okay. Kasi may mga ano dito yung yellow. Hindi ka pwede mag-stop dyan or mahirap ipaliwanag guys. Like yung sa back namin, chine-check nila kung nasa yellow and something sila. Kasi if not, they will have penalty sometimes. So may camera. Pag walang camera, okay lang naman. I noticed, medyo yung boses ko today, medyo hindi siya super clear.
There's a car there.
What?
I can see a car there. With
Yeah?
no paper inside.
What?
I can see a car there with no paper there, but there's a date there. And what that means?
I don't know.
What does that means? It's abandoned.
No, it's not. So traffic, guys. Oh my god, mag-stop muna ako kasi parang super traffic niya. Okay, bye-bye guys. Tingnan niyo si Alexander, guys, nakatutulog. Napagod talaga siya kasi ang dami nilang ginawa ngayon sa swimming class. We're home na, guys, and look at our strawberry. Look at this. Oh, it's amazing. We have 1, 2 strawberry, and then
No, two. One is right there.
yeah. No, don't get it.
But
Yeah, it's so strong strawberry because I left it outside during winter and it's alive. Yeah, well, you can eat it soon, not now when it's like so red.
yeah, but we need to wash them.
Of course.
But look, this one's a baby strawberry.
Yeah. You're happy, yeah? You're taking care of it.